Namaskar. Good morning. We say these two words so many times. But how many times do we say it ourselves? See, when we say good morning, it should be filled with excitement and energy for a new day. We should believe with full heart that this new day would be filled with all that which is good for us. If you have trouble believing in this, then you say these three things to yourself. I believe in myself and my dreams. When you say this to yourself every day, you will slowly build your self-confidence. When you believe in yourself, you believe in what you want to do and what you can do. This will charge you to take steps for what you want to do. Remember, when you be with who you are with confidence, you become who you want to be without dependency. Next, say the sentence or affirmation, I can face all my challenges. Once you begin to believe in yourself, you will also begin to believe that you can face all the challenges. When you find the courage to face the challenges on the way to your dreams, that is when you also appreciate the lesson that challenges teach you. Remember, even the highest wave cannot rise without the challenge of fierce wind. Third, finally, remind yourself at the very beginning that the life goes on. Yes, the third powerful affirmation is that life goes on. Always remember, whether today is good day or bad day, when you succeed or fail today, life will go on. Life is a gorgeous gift packed with a new surprise every day. And whatever happens, life will go on. So, get excited for the journey and don't worry about the destination. So, try these powerful affirmations for 21 days and see how your life transforms. Namaskar.